Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaleidoscope and hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm going to make a very simple wall hanging. So let's begin. So here I'm taking a ring. So now I'm going to take a black color string and I am going to take a little bit longer length of the string. So my ring's size is 8.5. So you are going to keep the string's length about 10 inches. So here I have taken 28 strings and in each side I will be putting 14 of these. So here I've put one side with 14 strings and now I'm going to do the other side and I'm going to show how I'm doing this. So the way we are going to do this is a half hitch knot and a double hitch knot. So first you're going to take the string underneath the ring and then I'm going to take it over the ring and make a loop. Then I'm going to take it under the ring inside the loop and take it out. So this is a half hitch knot and then we're going to do a double hitch knot that is the same process but a little different, that we are going to just take it over the ring and under the ring. And here we go. You are done with your knot. You do also want to keep a little bit of extra bow on top. You can also do this with macrame. Now keep it straight and do the other side with the same process I just did above. Here I am repeating the same step as I did for the first string and complete all of the 14 strings. Now I've done both of these sides with the black string and now I'm going to do the yellow strings. Here I've taken 16 yellow strings and I'm going to put 8 on each side. We're going to do the same process as we did with the black strings. Now I have completed doing both the sides with the yellow strings. This time I am going to take 17 of the black strings and tie it horizontally. I will be tying the strings only from one side. Now I have tied the black strings. Now we will be making the pattern. For the first string, we will be taking it over the black and below the whole yellow part. For For the second string, we will be taking it over the black and then over one yellow string. And like that, we will be following the pattern in an increasing manner. For the ninth string, I will be taking it over the whole part. Then I will be doing the pattern in a decreasing manner. If you don't understand what I am saying, you can follow the pattern as shown here. Now I am done, and now I'm going to tie the other side of the string. I'm going to tie all of the strings, and here are the measurements of the cutouts of cardboard. So you can see the measurements over here as shown, 2 triangles. I'm painting it with metallic color, and here I have also made a ring. Now I'm going to take it in the between and poke it to make a hole. If you have a hole puncher, it's great. And if you don't have, you can take a pen or you can take a pencil and make these holes. For the triangles, you don't need to make any holes. Now you're going to take a comb and comb the fringes to So here you go. Now I'm going to cut it in equal size. And here are neat and tidy piece is ready. Now I'm going to take these cutouts and take a piece of wool or macrame, whatever you have, or you can also take jute rope, or if you have a chain, you can use that. And then I'm going to attach these both. So the pattern for the upper part will be small triangle, big triangle, and the ring. For the downer part, it will be something different, and the way it will be is there is going to be the small rectangle, the big rectangle, the semicircle, and the circle. Here's a longer lower part. So now we're going to attach this to the upper part. We're going to take the smaller chain and attach it to the upper part, and we are going to take the longer chain to attach it in the bottom part. I'm going to take 2 of these triangles, and then I am going to put them on the sides, and here's the finished look. So do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification button, and thanks for watching.